You know what time it is? You know what time it is? Thank you, universe. I am so happy and grateful for the gift of life. I am so happy and grateful for the gift of life. Your life is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. Go rising, go rising, go rising. Life is good, life is good, life is good, life is good. Life is a gift. Life is a gift. You better start seeing life like a gift, because it is a gift, okay? One day you're gonna wake up, one day you're not gonna wake up and be like, oh, what happened to life? What happened to my gift? Well, you're no longer here. You're no longer here. Appreciate it now while you can, okay? Don't wait. Don't wait. Don't wait. Don't wait. Remember that day. Remember that day when you pray for everything that you have in your life right now, okay? Remember that day. Remember that day. And be grateful right now. Be grateful right now. It's all about the present moment. Come on, it's all about the present moment, okay? It's all about the present moment. Release the past while you enjoy the present, creating the future, okay? The past has nothing new to say. The past has nothing new to say. But valuable data, valuable wisdom, okay? Valuable data, but you gotta be able to accept when you're wrong. When you accept when you're wrong, you can extract the wisdom, okay? If you don't accept when you're wrong, that means that you're always right. And if you're always right, you don't need to learn anything because you're always right, right? Right. That's what narcissists do. That's what narcissists do. That's why they never learn. That's why they're still in kindergarten. They're still in kindergarten. 30 years went by and they haven't learned anything because they haven't made a mistake. They haven't made a mistake. These people are, I don't know. They're not from here. They're not from here because they don't make mistakes. But you and I, we make mistakes. I make mistakes every day. I make mistakes every day. Every single day. Well, you see me. You see me. You see me making mistakes every day. And I don't mind. I don't mind. But you know why? Because the more I fail, the better I become. The more I fail, okay? The better I become. The more confident I get, okay? Because confidence is simply something you create, okay? Something you create from within yourself by believing in who you are, okay? By believing in who you are, okay? But you can be afraid to fail. You cannot be afraid to fail, okay? You can be afraid to fail. You can be afraid to, you know. No, there's not such a thing. Afraid of what? Of what people gonna say? Afraid of what people gonna say, for real? 2021? No. You gotta let that shit go. You gotta let that shit go and start living your life right now, okay? Start living your life right now without regrets, okay? It's Inspirational Sunday on the High Vibrational Channel. It's Inspirational Sunday on the High Vibrational Channel, okay? You gotta learn how to live without regrets, okay? Live without regrets, okay? Live without regrets, okay? Because, once again, if you can, there's nothing you can do about the past. Whatever happened, okay? What you can do is accept what is, okay? Accept what is and let it go. Accept what is, okay? Integration. Integration is the process of accepting what is and letting go, okay? Let that shit go, okay? Because the only reality that exists happens in the present moment, okay? That's why you gotta be anchored to the present moment, okay? Be at peace with who you are right now. Be at peace with who you are right now. And everything else will fall into place, okay? Everything else will fall into place. Everything else will fall into place. Like I was saying, I don't even know what I was saying. I was gonna make a video about something and now I'm talking about something else. It is what it is, you see? It is what it is. what am I gonna do? Start the video over? Oh, no. I just keep going. Then I'm gonna have to spend 20 minutes looking at the video because I don't know the title. But hey, I'm being me, right? That's all you gotta do. All you gotta do to be successful is be you, because you are successful. You are alive. Okay, the manifestation of your own being is the biggest miracle there is. Okay, you are a miracle in motion. Okay, you are a miracle in motion. You are the miracle. You are the miracle. You're moving around. You are life. You are alive. Okay, and this planet, hopefully you're watching from planet Earth. If not, well, you know, where you at? Let us know where you are. Let us know. This planet that is hosting our life, the planet that is hosting our life, okay, aka Gaia, is a very prestigious botanical garden, okay? It's a very prestigious botanical garden. This place is, okay? This planet is known throughout the universe as the planet of beauty, okay? And there is life everywhere, okay? There is life everywhere. Come on now. There is life everywhere in the universe. Everywhere. Don't let them fool you or even try to school you. You got a mind of your own, right? You got a mind of your own. Exactly. This place is a very prestigious, the place that is hosting your life. Not this place. This is just no any place, no. This is the place that is hosting your life, and it's gonna host your kids' life. Okay? This place over here, planet Earth, right? It's a very prestigious botanical garden, right? And you, let's talk about you for a second. Let's talk about you. You are a multidimensional being having a human experience. You are a spiritual being having a human experience, okay? Your body, the composition of your body is more complex than our minds can comprehend, okay? Our mind is not able to comprehend how great we truly are. No. But to make a long story short, your human body, right, is an organic supercomputer, okay? An organic supercomputer, a spaceship, okay? A spaceship. That's who you are, okay? That's who you are. You have a physical body, a mental body, an emotional body. You have an auric field, okay? You have psychic abilities. You're loaded, okay? You're loaded. All you gotta do is, focus the attention on yourself, okay? Start appreciating your own being, okay? Start appreciating your own being, okay? Let's say you have a car, right? Let's say you have a Ferrari. Let's say you have a Ferrari, right? You have a Ferrari, and your friend has a Lamborghini, right? But you're always looking at your friend's car, and your friend's always looking at your car. So both of you have great cars, but none of you actually know your own car because you're always looking at the other car. You know what I'm saying? Spend time getting to know yourself, okay? Spend time getting to know yourself, because I can come here and give you compliments all day. I'm doing that already, right? Yeah. But you see, the truth, the truth cannot be told, okay? The truth cannot be told. It can only be realized from within yourself, okay? It can only be realized from within yourself, okay? You are the shit. You are made out of stardust, okay? You're literally made out of stars, okay? And these are facts. This is the high vibrational channel. This is the true channel, okay? If you want, if you're allergic to the truth, that's okay. I'm not judging. I didn't come here to judge either. I came here to be compassionate. But if you're allergic to the truth, you got CNN and Fox, where they give you two sides of the same lie. Two sides of the same lie, right? CNN and Fox. Exactly the same bullshit, just different angle. A lie is still a lie, right? A lie is still a lie. But you see, The truth, the truth, lies cannot stand right next to the truth. Lies cannot stand right next to the truth, okay? And you are the truth. You are the truth. That's why they want to silence you. That's why they're creating all this bullshit for you not to realize, for you not to evolve to your higher nature, okay? But fuck them, okay? Fuck these people. Who the fuck are they? Who the fuck are they, right? Who are these people? Who are these people that we allow into our field of energy to tell us what to do? They can tell you what to do. They can tell you what to do. If you stand in your truth, you will not be moved. If you stand in your truth, you will not be moved. And what stands in the way becomes the way, okay? What stands in the way becomes the way. But you gotta have the courage to stand alone, okay? Because it's easy to stand in a crowd. It's easy. It's easy to stand in a crowd with 1,000 people. Oh, it's easy. That's cake. But it takes courage to stand alone. It takes courage to stand alone, okay? But you see, if you stand alone, it was just 11:11. If you stand alone, well, the universe is gonna reward you for standing in your truth, okay? For standing in your truth, because you are the truth, okay? Don't let nobody tell you what you can or can't do, because usually the people that tell you what you can do is because they can do it themselves. Don't listen to anybody, listen to yourself. Listen to yourself, okay? Listen to yourself. Listen to your intuition, okay? Your intuition is the voice of the universe, okay? Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. Listen to yourself, okay? Listen to yourself. Because all the answers you're seeking for are within you already. I love you. Stay free. Stay chosen. Believe in yourself, okay? Always believe in yourself. Trust the universe, okay? Trust the process. Trust whatever is unfolding in your life as natural to the cycles of transformation and change, okay? And know, you gotta know it. That is all for a higher purpose, okay? Faith is all it takes. Faith is all it takes, okay? Believe in yourself, trust the universe, and keep the faith alive. Because your heart is golden, your mind is brilliant, and your soul is pure. See ya.